For this video, we're going to real quick create a basic web page and view it in Chrome. Now there's a few items you're going to have to follow in the assignment. So once we create the page, please go back to the assignment and add the following items listed there. So first, you need to launch and open Visual Studio Code. Once you have Visual Studio Code open, you're going to click on File, Open Folder. I want you to make sure you select your name. We're going to click on New Folder, and we're going to call this GCA Week 1 Assignment -1 and click Create. Now we'll have this folder selected. We're going to click Open. You're going to set yes, I trust the authors, and then you should notice over here in the Explorer you'll see a directory that's listed inside of Visual Studio Code called GCA Week 1 Assignment 1. Here you're going to click on the new file. We'll call this index.html. Hit enter. The very first thing I want you to do is type HTML, select HTML5, and hit enter. Now, the very first item I want you to add on this web page is in between the body tags. This should be at line 9. You're going to type H1 and hit enter. You'll notice that it automatically puts the greater than and less than symbols on the H1 for you. Here we have a opening H1 tag and a closing H1 tag. The closing tag is symbolized by this backslash. Now in between the two tags, right there, I want you to type my very first web page. Below that, you're going to type P, which is a paragraph tag, and hit enter. And this will automatically put the cursor entry between the two tags. And here, you're going to type, this is my first web page. It is very basic, but it is a start. There you go. Now, you have two tags here on the page that you've created. You have an H1 tag, which is your heading tag, and you have a paragraph tag. Now, when I say heading tag, I don't want you to get this confused with head here, because this is a different tag that's only used by the page for hidden information. At the end of this paragraph tag, put your cursor after the last greater than symbol and hit enter. And you can type other types of header tags. For example, you have an H1, an H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. In your instructions, there'll be instructions to create an H2 with your name inside of it. And then after the H2, you're going to create a follow-along paragraph tag that has some interesting details about you. And then finally, you're going to update the title here at the top, and you're going to put the text that says my first web page. Now, we've done this. We've created the page. So on your keyboard, you're going to press Command S, or you can come up here to File and just click Save. With your web page created, what we're going to do, we're going to go down to Safari. We're going to select a new window. And in this window, we're going to go up to File, Open File. We're going to click on your name, GCA Week 1, Index, and click Open. And here we have our very first web page that we've created. That's it for now. Please follow the instructions in your video to finish the assignment.